Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to order and buy on TikTok Shop 2026. So first thing that you should go here is just have to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. That's right. And then after that, you just have to log into your TikTok account. And then here at the bottom, we have these options. You just have to select the shop, and then you'd be able to see here now the different products that you can purchase. You can also use the search bar at the top if you want to directly find that specific product. Okay, so for example, I am going to purchase this one. So you just simply tap on the product that you want to purchase, and then you have here now the buy now option at the bottom right corner of your screen. So just simply tap on it. And then I just have to select the variation of your product. For example, I want the brown one and then tap on the buy now option. That's right. After that, of course, you have to input right here your delivery address as well as your contact information. After that, right, you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you have here now your payment method. So you just have to select your preferred payment method. So we have TikTok Pay Later, GCash, credit or debit card, and we also have cash on delivery. And then once you are done selecting your payment method, just have to tap on the place order option at the bottom. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.